Hi there, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Precious, and if this is your first time, do consider subscribing as this helps my channel grow and make the content in it available to more people. Thank you. Believe me, this is the simplest index match and VLOOKUP tutorial you can find on the internet. Going over the data we need the products, the suppliers, the stores, the dates, and the sales. And I'm going to show you how you can use the VLOOKUP or the index match function to return the same answers. Or I will proceed to write the VLOOKUP formula. Right, equal to VLOOKUP. The first formula requirement is the lookup value, which is the product ID, which we have selected. The next is the table array, which is the entirety of the table. We have selected that as well. The next requirement is the index. This is the second column on the table that we have selected earlier. So we type 2, and then the type of match we want is exact match, and that is why we type false. You see, we have returned our data. Next, we are going to use the index match formula to return the same data. So you write equal to index, and then the first requirement of an index formula is the place you want your answer to come from, the column you want your answer to come from. And now you have to be very careful. In this case, we want our answers to come from the product type table. So we go to the product table and we select product type, only that column. Do know that you need to specify the exact column that you want the index function to look into. If you select the entire table, your formula will fail because it will not know the particular column to search on, but only that column. And then we need to return the row number or the column number, but then we cannot be counting. So we use the match function to do so. The match function requires a lookup value. This is the article number, the SKU column. You select that, and then you have to show it where it can find this article number. On the product table, you will see it as SKU column. We have selected that as well. We show you the type of match, which is 0, and as you can see, your product type has been populated. And now to show you the difference between these key formulas, I'm going to clear everything, and then I'll move the product ID from utmost left to utmost right. Now proceed to write the VLOOKUP again. And notice how after repeating the formula exactly how we did the first time, it will fail to work. And this is because VLOOKUP only works when the lookup value is on the utmost left of the table array. If you move it to the utmost right, it will return an NA error. But with the index match function, if we repeat the exact thing we did, it will give us the same answer as it gave us the other time. This is an advantage, a major advantage that index match function has over VLOOKUP, because you cannot determine how your data will be given to you from the tool you use, SAP, GCP, whatever. You can't determine how your data will be arranged. Index and match will always work. VLOOKUP might fail sometimes. Another key relevance is that index match function works well even with a large data set. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'm more than happy to attend to them. And if you have a video you want me to create, do let me know. I'll do that for you. Thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye.